NCERT 10th Maths, exercise 6.5, question number 15, पेज नंबर 151. एक स्पेशल क्वेश्चन है और इसका आंसर तो दिया ही है बहुत जगह पर, बहुत सारे जगह पर इसका आंसर डिस्कशन भी होता है, पर स्टूडेंट्स का सेटिस्फेक्शन उतना लेवल का नहीं है. तो मेरे पास थोड़ा ट्रिकी मेथड है, तो उसका डिस्कस करते देखते हैं कहाँ तक आपका ये काम में आता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन तो आप पढ़ ही लिया होगा, हम इसको सीधा सीधा आंसर में आते हैं. गिवन दैट triangle ABC, it is a equilateral triangle, therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, and a point on BC, B dash D dash C, माने there is a point D on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. Now हमें प्रूव करना है 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. इसको हम 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करके डिस्कस करेंगे और बहुत आसानी से इसको समझ जाएंगे. पहले कंस्ट्रक्ट किया ए से BC के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया, दैट इज ए परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ. सो दो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बन गया, एक ABE और एक AEC. इन ट्रायंगल ABE एंड AEC हम अगर देखें, एंगल AEC is equal to angle AEB 90 degree. Understood? Now this is R. Now H is AC is equal to AB. Both are hypotenuse. So this is H, hypotenuse. And one side AE is equal to AE. That is common side. Common side. So this is common side. Now this is side. So by RHS, triangle AEB is a congruent to triangle AEC, right? So we can say therefore by simplicity BE is equal to EC. Or we can say this is half BC. Or we can say it is half AB. Why? We all want to, all sides will convert into AB, because finally we have to prove in AB. So finally what we get that is BE is equal to half AB. This is our one achievement. Block it. It will be useful somewhere. Okay. Now you see in triangle AEC, if you look at the triangle AEC, the AEC is a right angle triangle. It is 90 degree at E. So Pythagoras formula will be applicable here. So you can write here AE square plus EC square is equal to AC square. Right? Now EC means half AB, AC means AB, all the sides are equal. So AE square is equal to AC. In place of AC I am writing AB, because all we have to finally prove at AB. AB square minus AE, EC के in place of EC we can write half AB, means AB square by 4, half AB का square, AB square by 4, that is it is 3/4 AB square. This calculation, finally what we get, that is AE square is equal to 3/4 AB square. This also will be useful, so block it. A square is equal to 3 by 4 AB square. This you block it. Okay. Now you come here. Now concentrate on portion D. From the figure itself, you can see that D is equal to BE minus BE minus BD. Right? Now put the value of these two. Put the value of these two. What is B? B is half BC. So write half BC. Half AB. It is half AB. B is equal to half AB. Minus BD given 1/3 BC. So this it is already given, and I write it 1/3 AB. Purpose I told you, explain you already. BC and AB all the same, but in our proof we have to convert into AB. So all we convert into AB. So we can write here AB upon 3. It is AB upon 2, it is AB upon 3. So LCM is 6. So 3AB minus 2AB is equal to AB upon 6. So finally we get DE is equal to AB upon 6. This is our another achievement. AB upon 6. This is our another achievement. Another point we get. This is point number 3. Okay. So finally what we get, that in triangle A D E, ADE is a right angle triangle and angle E is 90 degree. So AD is the hypotenuse. So here we apply Pythagoras theorem. So AD square will be equal to A square plus D square. Now A square, what is A square? From 2.2, 3 upon 4 AB square. And D square is AB upon 6 whole square. So it is 3 upon 4 AB square minus, not minus, plus. It is plus AB square upon 36. 6 square, 36. So LCM is 36. Now 9 4 ja 36, 9 3 ja 27. So 27 AB square plus AB square. So it is from here 28 upon 36 AB square. Now reduce by 4. 7 ja 4 7 ja 28 and 9 ja 36. So what we get, AD square is equal to 7 upon 9 AB square. Cross multiply, finally get 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Very simple method. So Again, I'll conclude. 3 steps, just 3 steps. First step, you prove that EC is equal to BE. Take two right angle triangle, that is AEC and AEB. And by the method of RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. By the method of RHS, congruent. Very easy, congruent proof कर लिया. Congruent proof कर दिया. तो by CPCT, BE is equal to EC. ये भी proof हो गया. Now BE is equal to EC is equal to half BC, we can say, because E become the midpoint of BC. Now half BC equal to half AB. Now BE is equal to half AB or EC equal to half AB. This is point 1. Now you take the right angle triangle AEC, apply Pythagoras theorem. Now A square plus EC square equal to AC square. So A square equal to AB square means ACI convert into AB, and here EC or BE is equal to half AB, so AB square upon 4. So this is the step. Here we show the relation of A square के साथ AB का रिलेशन, सबका साथ AB का रिलेशन लेके आओ. क्यों? हमें फाइनली AB से प्रूव करना है. तो पहले देखो B से AB का रिलेशन लाए, फिर A स्क्वायर से AB का रिलेशन आया, दैट इज 3/4 AB स्क्वायर. उसके बाद जो D है ना, ये D से AB का रिलेशन ढूंढा हमने. D is equal to B minus BD. Okay, now B is half AB and BD is AB upon 3, indirectly given. दोनों का हिसाब किया तो D is equal to AB upon 6 हो गया. अभी हमें ये कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो इस ट्राइंगल के ऊपर. तो आपका फाइनल टारगेट जो होगा ये ट्राइंगल. ये ट्राइंगल में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करो और यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, AD स्क्वायर इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर. अभी A स्क्वायर का वैल्यू यहाँ से डालो 3/4 AB स्क्वायर और D स्क्वायर का वैल्यू यहाँ से डालो AB upon 6. फिर जस्ट सिंपली कैलकुलेशन करो, यू विल फाइनली गेट 7/, AD स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 7/9 AB स्क्वायर. देन इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. वेरी वेरी सिंपल. ऑल दिस 3 स्टेप 3 पार्ट में इसको याद करो एंड प्रैक्टिस इट. आई एम श्योर you get succeed.